Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to the session of coordinate geometry. I already explained in the previous sessions about the concept of introduction of the straight line. So, what is the inclination of the line? What is the slope of the line? We learned. Okay, just you have to observe the previous sessions and you will get some points and noted those. Okay, see please. Next, let me discuss about the various forms of the straight lines now. Let me discuss various forms of the straight lines. That is the concept of the straight lines. See here. Various forms of straight lines. Various forms of straight lines. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, you have to learn today. So, in these forms, first you have to write the straight line equation, which is called slope point form. That is first various forms in the straight lines. Okay, see. So, the first form is slope point form. Slope point form. Okay, what is the slope point form? Suppose in the coordinate system, x axis it is, y axis. In the coordinate system, this is a straight line. This is the straight line passing through the point x1, y1. This is the straight line passing through the point x1, y1 and having the slope. This has slope m. Then what is the straight line equation? Okay, what is the straight line equation of this one? If it is passing through the point x1, y1 with the slope m. Okay, that is the equation of the line. The equation of the line. The equation of the line passing through x1, y1. The equation of the line passing through x1, y1 having slope m. Having slope m is, what is the line? Is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. The equation of the line passing through x1, y1 having slope m is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So, by using this equation, you will get the straight line equation of this one in the coordinate system, which is passing through x1, y1 having slope m. Okay. Suppose application of this one, let me discuss now with you. See here, we need the axis equations, x axis equation, y axis equation. Suppose you need, this is our coordinate system. Okay, listen to me carefully. This is x axis, this is y axis. What is the x axis equation? It is clear, the point of intersection of x and y axis is origin, you know. So, it is clear, this is the x axis, that one is passing through origin. What is the slope of x axis? It is 0, you know. The slope of x axis is 0. Now, what is the straight line equation x axis? X axis is a straight line passing through origin, passing through the point x1, y1 like that, passing through origin having slope m 0. If the line passing through x1, y1 having slope m, then the straight line equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. In the same way, this is the straight line passing through x1, y1. So, here x1, y1 is equals to origin. x1, y1 is equals to origin. Slope m is equals to 0. So required line is passing through x1, y1. Required line is passing through origin. So you have to replace x1, y1 with 0, comma 0 and m is also 0. Slope is 0. Then it is, we have to applying this equation to get the x-axis equation. Y minus 0 is equals to, okay, y minus 0 is equals to, m is 0. 0 into x minus something. 0 into 0, 0. So y equal to 0. So what is the x-axis equation? X-axis equation is y equal to 0. X-axis slope is just 0. X-axis slope is 0. Slope is a value. X-axis slope is 0. X-axis equation is y is equal to 0. You have to remember that one. Okay. So the first one is the equation of x-axis. The equation of x-axis, that is y is equals to 0. X-axis equation is y is equals to 0. Suppose you have to observe the points on the x-axis, it is 0, 0. After 1 unit of origin on the x-axis, what is the point here? 1, comma 0. Okay. So suppose you have to take one more point here, which is at a distance of 2 units from origin, 2, comma 0. So in this way, you have to locate the point on the x-axis, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 0, minus 3, 0, like that. Just you have to observe all the points on the x-axis, y is 0, y coordinate is 0. So in all the order pairs, the y coordinate is 0. So y coordinate is 0. So the x-axis equation is y equal to 0. In that way also, we have to define the equation of x-axis. Already I told the equation of x-axis y is 0. In second way, we have to observe, we have to find the equation of x-axis by observing the y coordinates on the x-axis. We have to say all y coordinates on the x-axis 0. So we have to say the equation of x-axis is also y equal to 0. Just you have to remember that x-axis equation is y equal to 0. All the order pairs on the x-axis having y coordinate 0. In that way also you have to say the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Okay, just you have to remember that one. Now the question is, suppose you have to take a line parallel to x-axis. So what are the points located here? Suppose this is a line parallel to x-axis, which is at a distance of 1 unit above the x-axis. That is a line parallel to x-axis, which is at a distance of 1 unit above the x-axis. Then automatically what is the point here? 0, 1. Okay, what is the point here? 1, comma 1. This one covers the distance 1 unit here, 1 unit here, 1, comma 1. What is the point here? This one covers along the x-axis 2 units. This one covers along the y-axis is 1 unit. What is the point here? 2, 1. Just you have to think what is the line equation. Which is at a distance of 1 unit from the x-axis, which is at a distance of 1 unit above the x-axis. That is, all the coordinates on that line having y coordinate as 1. So let it be, easily you have to say y is equals to 1. X-axis equation is y equal to 0. In this line, all the y coordinates is 0. All the y coordinates should be 0. So it is y 0. In this line, it is a line parallel to x-axis, which is at a distance of 1 unit above the x-axis. On that line, suppose you have to observe the points, all the points having y coordinate as 1. So what is the line equation? Y is equals to 1. So y equal to 1 is a line which is at a distance of 1 unit from the x-axis, which is at a 1 unit distance from above the x-axis. In that way, you have to say the equation of a line which is parallel to x-axis at a distance of k units above the x-axis, y equal to k. This is a line which is a parallel to x-axis at a distance of 1 unit above the x-axis, that is y equal to 1. In the same way, the line which is parallel to x-axis, which is at a distance of k units above the x-axis, that is the line y equals to k. So every line parallel to x-axis is of the form y equal to k. Every line Every line which is parallel to x-axis in the coordinate system is in the form y equal to k. If it is a line at a distance of 1 unit above the x-axis, that is y equal to 1. If it is a line at a distance of 2 units above the x-axis, that is y equals to 2, like that. So, now I am writing that point, the line, the equation of line parallel to x-axis, parallel to the equation of line parallel to x-axis at a distance of k units. I am taking k units at a distance of k units above x-axis is the line y is equals to k. Okay, the equation of the line parallel to x-axis at a distance of k units above the x-axis y equal to k. In the same way, suppose you need the line equation which is parallel to x-axis, the coordinate system which is parallel to x-axis, which is at a distance of k units below the x-axis. What is the line? X equals to minus k. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, suppose it is a line at a distance of 1 unit from the x-axis which is below the x-axis, then what is the point here? 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, all the points located on this line having y coordinate as minus 1, it is a line y is equal to minus 1 which is parallel to x-axis at a distance of 1 unit below the x-axis. In the same way, suppose you need the line parallel to x-axis which is below the x-axis, which is parallel to x-axis and below the x-axis at a distance of k unit, then the line equation is y equals to minus k. Okay, so the equation of the line, listen to me, the equation of the line second one, the equation of line parallel to y-axis, parallel to x-axis, see, parallel to x-axis at a distance of k units, okay, distance of k units below the x-axis, is, what is the answer? Y is equals to minus k. So, what we learned here? The equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. The equation of a line parallel to x-axis which is k units above the x-axis y equals to k. The equation of the line parallel to x-axis which is below the x-axis at a distance of k units from origin, that one is y is equal to minus k. So, x-axis equation is y equal to 0. Every line parallel to x-axis is of the form y equal to k. So, in the same way, just you have to observe one more thing here. See, next question is, what is the equation of y-axis? This is coordinate system, our coordinate system it is. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So, you need the equation of y-axis here. How to find the y-axis equation? In one way, we have to say that is the line. This is the line passing through origin. Having slope undefined. Y-axis is the line passing through origin having slope undefined. So, this is the line passing through origin. This is x1, y1 here. This is the line passing through origin and having slope undefined. So, undefined means something by 0. Some defined value by 0, it is undefined, 2 by 0, 3 by 0 like that. So, we need the equation of y-axis, it is the line passing through origin having slope undefined, 1 by 0 something like etc. So, by using slope point form, what is the slope point form? The equation of the line passing through x1, y1 having slope m is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. By applying this formula, okay, see, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Okay, see please. Y minus y1, y minus 0 is equals to y minus 0 is equals to 1 by 0 into x minus 0. So 0 into something it is by the cross multiplication, it is 0 is equals to x minus 0. So what is the answer? X equals to 0. So the equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. Already I told what is the equation of x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Now equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. You have to remember that one. So let me note that one as second point. This is the subpoint of first one. What is the first point? Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0, and then the subpoint of first one is the equation of line parallel to x-axis, which is at a distance of k units. Above the x-axis y equals to k. What is the second subpoint of the first one? The equation of the line parallel to x-axis, which is at a distance of k units below the x-axis, that is equals to y equal to minus k, you know. Now the question is equation of y-axis. The equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. Just we found. So equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. This is the equation. Also have to observe the points on the y-axis. Suppose what is the point here? Suppose it is a distance of 1 unit from the x-axis, above the x-axis, then this is the point 01. Suppose this is a point on the y-axis which is at a 2 units from the x-axis, then this is a point 0, 2. In this way 0, 3. So you have to observe all the points on this line. What are the points from 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, like that. So you have to observe all those points. What is the abscissa? 0. X is 0 in all. So we have to say the equation of y-axis is x equals to 0. So in that way we have to decide the equation of y-axis is x equals to 0, or the equation of y-axis is x equals to 0 by applying the slope point formula like this. So just you have to think x-axis equation is y0, y-axis equation is x0. Now what is the line equation which is parallel to y-axis? That is the question now. What is the line equation which is parallel to y-axis? So suppose it is a line which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of 1 unit. At a distance of 1 unit. What is the point here? It is 1, 0. What is the point here? It is 1, 1. What is the point here? It covers a distance of 1 unit along the x-axis, 2 units along the y-axis. So it is a point 1, 2. So what is the abscissa? In all points which are lie on this line, abscissa is 1, x equals to 1. That is the line. So this is the line x equals to 0, this is the line x equals to 1, which is at a distance of 1 unit from origin, which is parallel to y-axis, located at right side of y-axis, located at right side, to the right side of y-axis, that is the line there. To the right side of y-axis, this is the line at a distance of 1 unit from origin, which is parallel to y-axis, that is the line x equals to 1. Suppose you have to draw one more line which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of 2 units. What is the line equation? X equals to 2. It is x equals to 1, that is x equals to 2. So you have to draw any line which is parallel to y-axis, all the lines of the form x equals to k form. So y-axis equation is x equals to 0. The equation of the line parallel to y-axis is of the form x equals to k. Okay, suppose the line is on right side of y-axis, then the line equation is y equals to k. If the line which is parallel to y-axis, which is located on left side of y-axis, that is the line of the form y equals to minus k. So what is the next step? The equation of the line, this is the subpoint of second one, first subpoint of second one. The equation of line parallel to y-axis, okay, at a distance of equation of line parallel to y-axis at a distance of k units, same, at a distance of k units to the right side of y-axis, is, what is the answer? X equals to k. Okay, the equation of the line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of k units to the right side of y-axis is x equals to k. Suppose the line equation which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of k units to the left side of y-axis, same, it is the same same theory we have to write here. The equation of line parallel to y-axis at a distance of k unit to the left side of y-axis, is, what is the answer? X equals to minus k. So every line which is parallel to y-axis is of the form x equals to k form. Y-axis equation is x equals to 0. The line parallel to y-axis and located at right side of y-axis at a distance of k units, then the line equation is x equals to k. The line parallel to y-axis which is located at left side of y-axis at a distance of k units, then the line equation is x equals to minus k. So what we will end here? The equation of x-axis is y0. The equation of line parallel to x-axis is of the form x equals to k. The equation of y-axis is x0. The equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x equals to k form. Just you have to remember all these things. Okay, the various forms of the straight line. In that concept, we learned the first straight line form, which is a slope point form. That is the line passing through x1, y1 having slope m. That is the line equation y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. And also we learned the equation of x-axis y0, the equation of y-axis is x0. The equation of the line parallel to x-axis y equal to k. The equation of the line which is parallel to y-axis is x equals to k. Okay, just you have to remember. The second various form of the straight line is 2 points form. That is called 2 points form. Okay, first one is slope point form, second one is 2 points form. In the coordinate system, this is a straight line. This is a straight line passing through the point ax1, y1 and bx2, y2. Now, the question is, what is the straight line equation of AB bar? So, you have to find the equation of AB bar here. Just you have to observe, this is the line passing through these 2 points. Then what is the slope of that one? This is the line passing through these 2 points. So, slope m is equals to, already you know about that one, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, let me define this line as follows. How it is? This is the line equation passing through x1, y1. Okay, passing through x1, y1 having slope of this one. Already you know about the slope point form. The line passing through x1, y1 having slope m. What is the line equation? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. You know about this one. So, now in this situation, okay, this is the line passing through x1, y1 having slope this one. What is the line equation? The line passing through x1, y1. So, x1 is x1, y1 is y1. What is the slope? This is slope. So, I have to replace m with this one. Okay. So, what is the straight line equation passing through 2 points? Equation of line passing through ax1, y1 and bx2, y2 is the line equation of this one. Just you have to write. Okay, we have to find the equation of AB bar. It is nothing but the line passing through A having slope of this one. So, by using this formula is tell y minus y1 is equals to, what is m? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So to get the next step by the simplification of this one, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is the 2 points form straight line. Okay, equation of line passing through x1 y1 and bx2 y2 is a straight line is of the form y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is called 2 points form. This is called 2 point form. This is the second various form of the straight line. Okay. Next, let me explain the third various form of the straight line. Okay. See, before going to explain the third various form of the straight line, just first you have to know, first you have to learn about some terminology. That one is, the first one is intercept. What is the intercept? First you have to learn about that one. Okay, see, intercept. What is the intercept? What is the meaning of the intercept? That is the first question. So, this is the coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis. This is the line. Coordinate system, this is the line. Suppose this is the line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0. The line cuts the x-axis at, the line meets the x-axis at somewhere, at that point, at that meeting point, y coordinate is 0 because it lies on x-axis. On x-axis y coordinate is 0, you know. So I am taking the point A as A0, the point B as 0 comma B. Okay, A0, 0 comma B. So this line cuts the x-axis at A, A0, cuts the y-axis at B, 0B. Then we have to say the line makes an intercept of length A units. This point covers the distance A units along the x-axis. You know, that meeting point covers the distance along the x-axis. How much? A units, that one covers. So we have to say that line AB bar, that line AB bar, that line AB bar meets the x-axis at a comma 0. Then you have to say the length of intercept of the line AB bar, the length of intercept of the line AB bar on the x-axis is small a. The length of, just remember, just please observe, listen carefully please. The length of intercept of AB bar on the x-axis is small a. Then we have to say the x-intercept, capital X. Then we have to say the x-intercept of AB bar is small a. Okay, if the line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0, that means the meeting point covers the distance a units along the x-axis. So we have to say the x-intercept, this is x-axis, the x-intercept of the line AB bar is small a. In the similar way, the same line cuts the y-axis at B, 0 comma B. The same line cuts the y-axis at B, 0 comma B. That means that meeting point covers the distance along the y-axis. How much units? B units. Okay, that means we have to say that line y-intercept, the y-intercept of this line AB bar, y-intercept of the line AB bar is B. That is the meaning of intercept. If the line, this line cuts the x-axis at 2 comma 0, then what is the length of intercept of that line? Length of x-intercept of that line? 2. If that line cuts the y-axis at 0 comma 5, then what is the length of y-intercept of that line? 5 units. Okay. So what the intercept means? If the line cuts the coordinate axis, cuts the x-axis, if the line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0, the line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0 and cuts the line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0 and cuts the y-axis at b 0 comma b. If the line cuts the x-axis at a comma 0 and cuts the y-axis at b 0 comma b, then the length of the first one, x-intercept of AB bar, then the length of x-intercept of AB bar, then the length of x-intercept of AB bar is equals to A. You have to say in the same way, then the length of y-intercept of AB bar is equals to B. So in this figure, coordinate system, suppose you have to take like this. In this figure, the length of intercept AB bar is A, the length of x-intercept of AB bar is A, the length of y-intercept of AB bar is B. Just you have to observe that one. That is called intercept. Now, the third various form of the straight line, let me explain now. The first various form is slope point form. The second various form is 2 points form. The third various form is intercept form. The third various form of the straight line is intercept form. So, this is the intercept form of a straight line. This is the third form. Okay, intercept form. Okay, see, listen to me. What is the intercept form? Okay, suppose you have to take this figure. This line cuts the x-axis at A0. The same line cuts the y-axis at 0b. Now, need this straight line equation AB bar. Just we need the equation of straight line AB bar. So, it is clear this is the line passing through 2 points. If the line passing through 2 points AX1, Y1 and BX2, Y2, then what is the straight line equation? Already you know, the line passing through X1, Y1, it is X1, Y1 I am taking. I am taking this one as X2, Y2. So, now to find the equation of AB bar, I have to apply the 2 points form. Already you know what is the 2 point form of the straight line. Tell, that is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. By applying that formula, what we will get there? Y minus 0, y minus 0, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, b minus 0. Is it okay? Is equals to x minus x1, x minus a by x2 minus x1, 0 minus a minus a. Okay. So, by the cross multiplication of this one, what you say? Minus ay is equals to bx is equals to minus ab. Is it okay? This is the line equation of AB bar. This is the line passing through 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1 is a0, x2, y2 is 0b. Then the line passing through those 2 points and applying the 2 points formula, you will get this one. By dividing with AB, this one. Dividing with AB, then what we will get? Minus ay by AB is equals to bx by AB. Is it minus 1? A getting cancelled. Okay. B getting cancelled. Okay. What is there? It is x by a. It is minus y by b. It is minus 1. Minus 1 take to left side. That is plus 1. What is there? X by a. Minus 1 already come to right side. Already came to right side. Then what is there? X by a minus y by b take to right side. This is y by b. So, what is the line equation? X by a plus y by b is equals to 1. That is equation of AB bar there. Okay. What is a? What is b? In this equation, this is the equation of AB bar. This is the equation passing through 2 points. By the simplification of this one, we got this one. So, this is the form x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. What is a? This is the x-intercept of that line. What is b? This is the y-intercept of that line. You know about that one. So, if x-intercept is a, the AB bar x-intercept is a, the line, the x-intercept of AB bar is a, the y-intercept of AB bar is b, then the equation of AB bar is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1, which is called intercept form of a straight line. Which is called intercept form of a straight line. So, by the explanation of that one, we have to write the third various form of the straight line, which is called intercept form of the straight line. That means this line x intercept is a, the same line y intercept is b. Okay, intercept form. If the x intercept of the line, if the x intercept of the line is a, the x intercept of the line is a, and the y intercept of the line is b, if the x intercept of the line is a and the y intercept of the line is b, then the equation, line equation is in intercept form. Then the line equation is in intercept form. That is called intercept form. Is what is the line equation in intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Okay, the x intercept of the line is a. X intercept of the line is a. That means the line intersects the x axis at a0. Okay, and the y intercept of the line is b. Y intercept of the line is b, means that line intersects the y axis at 0 comma b. In the reverse way, we have to think like that one also. Okay, so the x intercept of that line is a, the y intercept of that line is b, then the equation of the line in the intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Here a is x intercept, b is y intercept. Okay, I have understood. So this is called intercept form. This is the third various form of the straight line. The first various form is slope point form, the second various form is 2 points form, the third various form is intercept form. Let me explain now the fourth various form of the straight line, which is called slope intercept form. Okay, so the fourth various form of the straight line is slope intercept form. This is the fourth various form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Okay, this is one more form of the straight line. It's a very important form. So to explain this one, first we have to consider our coordinate system like this. See here, this is coordinate system. So it is x axis, you know, it is y axis, you know, x axis, y axis. Suppose the line is like this one. So this is the line cuts the y axis at somewhere. What is the meeting point? Let me take that one as 0 comma c. This line cuts the y axis at 0 comma c. Then what is the length of y intercept of this line? C. By the previous discussion, we have to say easily that one. So what is the y intercept of this line? C. Okay. Okay. Suppose the line has inclination theta. Already you know what is the inclination of the line. The line subtends an angle theta with positive direction of x axis measured in the anti-clockwise direction. That is called inclination. Theta is inclination there. Theta is inclination. Then what is the slope? M tan theta, you know. M is equals to tan theta. Okay. Now we need the straight line of this one. We know the y intercept of this line is c. The y intercept of that line is c, and the slope of that line is m. So listen to me. The equation of line, okay, having y intercept, having slope m, having slope m, the equation of the line having slope m. Okay, the equation of the line having slope m with y-intercept. Look at carefully, with y-intercept. What is the meaning of y-intercept? Already you know, with y-intercept c. The line y-intercept c, that means the line cuts the y-axis at 0 comma c, you know. The line y-intercept 3, that means the line cuts the y-axis at 0 comma 3. Okay, so in that way, the equation of the line having slope m with y-intercept c is, what is the equation of this one? We have to say. So it is clear, we read the line equation of this one. This is the line passing through 0 comma c and having slope m. So that is the line passing through x1 y1 having slope m. The line passing through x1 y1 having slope m is slope point form. What is the slope point form? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So in the same way, I am taking the point, the line passing through this one. So we will take the point as x1 y1. So what you say? Y minus y1. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. It is a line passing through x1 y1 having slope m. Now this is the line passing through 0 comma c having slope m. So x1 y1 is equal to 0 comma c. Then y minus, what is y1? Y minus c is equals to m into x minus 0. X minus 0 is nothing but m. So what is there? This implies y minus c is equals to mx. Y minus c is equals to mx. By taking minus c to right side, then that becomes to mx plus c. So what is the line equation? This is y is equals to mx plus c. This is the line, y is equals to mx plus c. So the equation of the line having slope m with y-intercept c. Slope is m, y-intercept is c. Then what is the equation of the straight line? Y is equal to mx plus c. What is m? M is the slope of that line. What is c? C is the y-intercept of that line. So it is slope, it is y-intercept, it is slope, it is y-intercept. So this is called slope intercept form. This is called slope intercept form. It is a special form. Here, what is the meaning of intercept? Intercept means the straight line, the intercept means the y-intercept of that straight line. Here, what is the intercept? This is the intercept, means that intercepts tells the y-intercept of that straight line. Here the y-intercept of that straight line is c here. So the line passing through 0 comma c means the line having y-intercept c, the line having slope m. So if the line having slope m, y-intercept c, then the equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. This is called slope intercept form. Y equal to mx plus c is the slope intercept form. So first various form of the straight line is slope point form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. The second various form of the straight line is 2 points form. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. The third various form of the straight line is intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. The fourth various form of the straight line is slope intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, one note point here, see here, this is the note point. What is this one? The line having y-intercept c having slope m. In the similar way, this is the line having slope m, that one cuts the x-axis at a comma 0. What is the meaning? This is the line cuts the x-axis at a0. That means the x-intercept of that line is a. X-intercept of that line is a and having slope m. Here the y-intercept of that line is c having slope m. This is called slope intercept form. It is a special line. Just you have to think, suppose there is a line, that one has x-intercept a. The equation of line having x-intercept is a. Having x-intercept a is a with slope m. Is okay. What is the x-intercept of the line? A. What is the slope? M. So this is the line passing through a comma 0 having slope m. This is the line passing through x1 y1. It is x1 y1 here. So this is the line passing through x1, y1 having slope m. So what is x1? A. What is y1? 0. So x1 is a here. 1 minute please. x1 is a here. Okay. So y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1, you know. What is y1? 0. So y minus 0 is equals to m into x minus a. So it is 0. Y minus 0 is y. So what is the answer? Y is equals to m into x minus a. Just you have to remember these two by comparison, by comparing these two diagrams. Okay. In this diagram, the line passing through 0 comma c having slope m. That means the line y-intercept is c having slope m here. The line y-intercept c having slope m, that is called slope intercept form, that the line equation is y is equal to mx plus c. In the second one, this is a note point, equation of the line, here x-intercept a with slope m, that is the line y is equal to m into x minus a. Just you have to remember all these various forms of the straight line. Okay. Bye. Thank you.